Ayan guys, magdi-dinner kami sa saang restaurant niya, kuya?
Do they have a tissue?
Yeah, I have one here. I think so.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Here. I don't need to use that yet though.
Yeah, hold it. What's the name? Oy, mag-base ka ba? Saan yun? Alam mo yun?
Alam ni kuya yan, di ba?
Base ka na lang.
Base, oo.
Ano ba yun?
Name.
Taco Bill?
Taco Bell.
Close today.
Tacos.
Oh no.
Oh,
Close Monday? Oh, change plan.
Tuesday.
Tuesday? Tuesday na pala. So, ba't sarado? Maaga sila magsara?
Ano pa?
Welcome back to our channel. Magdi-dinner tayo kasi birthday ni Kuya. Hi, baby. How are you today?
Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday.
Tingnan nyo guys, halos walang katao-tao. Diyan guys, yung Madness Mexican restaurant. Ayan na guys, nandito na tayo sa Madness. Ay, ang ingay pala ng soundstage. Papalag ko na. Mexico. We are in Mexico. Anong order niya?
Look.
Kasama na yun, no?
Guava. Busig din guys. Kala ko hindi ako mabubusog doon sa kinain ko. Busog din pala. Mabigat din sa tiyan. Lalakad-lakad muna kami. Time check, 7:36. Yes, it's 7:36. Ang liwanag pa. Ay, kita nyo ba? 7:36. Mag-aalas 8 na, may araw pa rin. Mga 8:30 yata o 9 bago dumilib. Pag ganitong summer. Yan. Lakad-lakad lang muna kami. Kasi kala ko may karaoke doon. Parang kala mo hindi ka busog.
Ayan, sa akin ko maraming dola.
Daniels.
Yan lang ang ganda.
Ang ganda, no?
Naglakad ako doon yung baker siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, ayun, dire-dire. Tapos nakita ako doon.
Mumubing ba yung globe? Nag-rotate? Nag-rotate.
Ito lang yun. 1876 pa yun.
Oo, tingnan nyo guys yung building. 1876 na na-stable. Ayun na nga. Ayan. Yan yung Christmas tree. Aubrey Christmas tree. Dito ulit yung carols, no, Lam?
Wala sinabi sa Antipolo.
Oo. Isang matinong sabi. Saan yung HSCC yung saan? Ito ba yun?
Ano? Oo. Yung ano, yung theater. You know, yung theater niya.
Tatawid ka pa?
Hindi. Ayun guys, ito yung Christmas tree dito. Ayan. Ayan. Dito to sa sentro. Sa Aubrey. So, 7:47. Liwanag pa din. Hindi mo pa tuloy ma-appreciate yung Christmas light. Ha? Liwanag pa kasi.
I think it's closed.
Sarado na yung mga establishment to. ng church, guys.
Picture mo dyan si Joe. Diyan ka lang tayo, Diyan ka. Picture lang kita. Wala na kasi.
Ayun o.
Ganda ng church. Ano? Ang linis ng grass dito, guys. Walang dura tsaka tae.
Sa Pinas. Sa Pinas na puro durayan. Ang tao pa naman kada kilos dura.
Hi, baby! Antok na yata yan. Alas 9 na eh. Alas 9 na ba? Or 8?
8.
Ang
Nangyari dyan.
Pag uwi, tulog na yan diretso.
Guys, padilim na rin. Medyo dumidilim na. It's 8:14. So, see you again next time. Bye! Bye! Ayan. Punta pala kami sa guys.
Tablet was erected by the returned soldiers, sailors. Mama, yun ang sinasabi. Returned soldiers and sailors. SSNA kaya SSNA. Yan ang meaning ng SSNA.
The bunnies are sleeping.
Oh, wow!
The bunny?
The bunny? Is it a bunny?
Yeah. With no face.
When they're sleeping.
I don't know.
Museum yun, guys.
Hey, Mama, look, this big feet.
Yeah. You been there?
Yes.
Ringwood, Grand, Kennedy, Stadium.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish, wish.
Wish.
Make a wish, kuya.
Yeah. Can I help you? Okay.
Alright, happy birthday. Happy birthday, kuya. Open the gift na, kuya.
So we raise a toast to you for all the great things you do. Happy birthday, dear. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, dear. May all your wishes come true. Shine like the morning sun. It's a joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun. So we raise a toast to you for all the great things you do. Happy birthday, dear. May all your wishes
open it. A case. A case. It looks like a pencil case. 1400, I think it's it. Let's go.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Art case.
Wow, that's, you like that one, right?
Yeah, I could make it detailed.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, I can make it so detailed that I even make it so detailed it looks like art. 7, especially for you. Birthday girl, stand tall and shine bright. For today is your day, so celebrate it right. Have fun with your friends, dance around and be proud. After all, it's your 7th birthday, so shout out loud, happy 7th birthday from Harris.
The right way? Yeah? Let's go upstairs, love. We go upstairs. Check upstairs.